My great friend Scotty Pickett is in the Everyday Gourmet kitchen and he's going to be cooking something quite special, a dish that you learnt to make when you were way back in the day.
Just a little fella, just a little fella. The second thing I ever learned to cook. The first thing was a warm chocolate torte. Second thing, Thai-inspired barbecue black pepper chicken.
Gee, it sounds good. I love these flavours together.
Sounds really difficult. It's so simple, so delicious. There's coriander, there's lemongrass, there's soy, there's chicken. It's great for so many different things. Right, let's crack into the marinade.
Absolutely.
So, lemongrass, coriander. I'm going to chop this finely.
And the chicken that we're going to be using, not chicken breast, but chicken thigh, skin on, bone out.
Skin on, bone out.
Tastes so much better, doesn't it? Because it is a dark meat and also there's a bit of fat there. So it can handle the hot heat of a barbecue or a grill pan that we're going to be using. Yeah,
this is perfect for the barbecue. Beautiful summer recipe. Beautiful thing that you can use on fish, on whole fish. I marinate snapper in it, baste a little bit. My mum uses it for stir fries.
Does she?
Yep.
Okay, well, it's got to be good then.
So, lemongrass in.
Yep, lots of lemongrass.
Lots of lemongrass. 1 stick of lemongrass, really fragrant. You chop it finely. Now, the coriander's been washed. I'm just cutting that in half. Keep the roots on, okay? Lots of flavour in there. Again, just roughly chop that through. Now, into this marinade too, Juzzy, we're going to add all our little Asian ingredients. So, chilli jam.
How much do you want?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
As a base guide, because sometimes I measure this, sometimes I weigh it out, sometimes I do volume, it's basically equal amounts of everything.
Okay, so we've got some sweet soy sauce here.
Yep, so 2 tablespoons of that one.
I think people at home love to hear that, equal amount, so you just can remember this recipe.
It's very, very simple. Don't have to stuff around measuring everything, getting your spoon dirty, you know, worrying about what it is. So that's the fish sauce in.
Fish sauce and some light soy sauce?
And some light soy sauce.
Okay.
The coriander's going in.
Oh, it smells so good.
So fragrant, so fresh, just smells of Thailand, doesn't it?
And we're so lucky in Australia. We've got all these Asian ingredients to make marinades like this.
So lucky, so lucky. And it really suits the climate. Now, into the ginger.
Yeah.
Okay.
And speaking of Asian ingredients, long grain. I love long grain. One of your babies too.
One of my new restaurants.
Is this on the menu?
It is on the menu. Little special guest appearance sometimes. A bit like me on the show, Juzzy.
Yeah.
Right. Now, 1 nice knob of ginger. Yep, some sweet chilli sauce.
Nice.
Again, about 2 tablespoons. Yeah, some black pepper. Yep, that's been ground. Yeah, 2 tablespoons of that one. And then the sugar. Again, about 2 tablespoons. Now, it's quite a dry marinade. It's not a wet one.
Yep.
But as it sits and the salt starts to do its work, all the saltiness of the soy, is it will start to really just kind of break down. And so let's put 2 or 3 chicken thighs in there.
Okay. 2 or 3? I'm doing 4.
4. Okay, 4. 4, we're hungry.
Absolutely.
So you mix that all around. Now, you can marinate this anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes.
Yep.
You can do it, you know, a couple of hours. I wouldn't really do it overnight because the sugar and the salt just starts to actually cure the chicken or the meat or the beef or the fish.
Yeah, we don't want that. Gee, next barbecue, I think I'm going to be doing this.
Smells so good. But you look now, look, it's really getting all in there. You see, you can see the marinade in there. Get your hands in there, marinate that through. Now, you can see that that marinade is coated that chicken thigh perfectly. Right, so I'm going to cook it skin side down first. I want a wonderful crust. Now, it's going to caramelise. There's a lot of sugars in there, so it'll get a little bit charry, a little bit burnt, okay?
That's okay.
Nice, really hot grill plate.
Yep.
Yeah, ooh, I can... I can sound the sizzle.
On it goes.
On it goes, skin down. Now, are we going to fit 4 in here, Juzzy?
Sure are.
All right, I'll squeeze them in. Right, Juzzy, so while I'm cooking the chicken, I want you to make the dressing.
Yes.
It's equal amounts of rice wine vinegar, soy and mirin.
Easy, I can do that.
Beautiful little Asian dressing. And then give that a little mix. That's for our salad later. Okay. And while the chicken's cooking, Juzz, just put a little bit of marinade on top. I'm going to peel the mango.
Fantastic.
Right, Juzzy, now they're almost cooked perfectly. I've just switched off my grill plate.
Yes.
And just let them rest for 3 or 4 minutes just to finish cooking through.
Yep.
Now, I want you to start picking the salad for me.
Sure.
We've got some beautiful iceberg.
Oh, I love crunchy iceberg.
Nice big chunks. We've got some oak leaf, we've got some coral, we've got some rau rum, or like a Vietnamese mint kind of thing. But you can use any salad that you've got at home.
Love
You
that.
can use red leaves, you can use endive, anything bitter, anything sweet sour.
Yes.
Now, the mangoes I've peeled, just going to cut nice big chunks.
I love the contrast between salty, a bit of mango, thank you. I love mango.
Me too. Yummy.
But in a savoury context, it's fantastic,
Yep.
isn't it?
Sweet, sour, salty. You know, there's the sugar in there, there's the saltiness from the soy, there's going to be some crispiness from the shallots. It's very herby, it's very beautiful. Now, I reckon I'm going to go the whole mango.
Yep, go for it.
Slippery little suckers out there.
No, I love mango.
Nice big pieces.
Any tropical fruit would be quite nice with this, I
Yeah,
think.
you can do it with pineapple. I've done this dish with pineapple as well
Light.
too. Lychee be really, really good in there. Now, look
Now
at
the
this.
chicken, yeah.
Wonderful crispy skin.
Yeah. And this is what you want. You want crispy skin. You want it to be a little bit dark over. You want the flavour of the barbecue or the grill.
Crispy and charred. Try that bit.
I love little chefo snacks like this.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Look, it's shiny, it's glistening, it's crispy. It's going to be sweet and sour and salty.
Excuse my hands, but that is just delightful.
It's so simple, it's so easy. And as I said, it doesn't just have to be chicken. You can cook a big rib of beef on the barbie, brush it with the marinade and have like a Thai beef salad too.
Or I'm thinking for our vegetarian friends, why not beautiful pieces of eggplant or mushroom, meatiness. It's just fantastic with this.
Yeah,
I
perfect.
love the pepperiness that I can taste through that marinade. Just delightful.
Yeah, just a little bit of heat in there. Plenty of chicken in there because I'm pretty hungry. And I like the skin. That's my favourite bit. And now the dressing jars.
Yep, and we'll just dress that.
Plenty of dressing.
Plenty of dressing.
Yeah, 3 or 4 tablespoons. There's a lot of salad in there.
Boo.
Now, and a good whack of the fried shallots too for me.
Shallots.
More, go another one. There we go. All in, all in. Dress that.
It's texture.
Texture. Crunch.
Very nice.
Now, this is definitely more than one.
Absolutely.
Now, if I'm having friends over for a barbecue, for a Sunday lunch, then I'll just mix this and put this right in the middle of the table.
Yeah, absolutely.
But
It's a generous kind of dish. This is what I can imagine. You have a Pickett barbecue, this is on the menu, right?
always on the menu, always on the menu. It's great for the kids too. They really like it.
Yeah.
Now, because I'm going to chef it up a little bit,
Absolutely.
a little bit of a composed salad now. A little bit of the coral lettuce in there. Look, you could garnish with a little bit of fresh coriander if you wanted as well too. Some Thai basil, anything that you've got if you go shopping to the Asian grocers.
And if I don't stop him, he'll continue with this dish and make it look extra, 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 extra pretty. That looks
There we go,
perfect.
Juzzy.
Enough of that.
Stop.
It is gorgeous. I love this dish. That taste was just sensational. And you know what? I'm very happy we did a really big portion. That's for you. This one's for me.
And that's for me later.
Thanks, Scotty.